So in today's video, we are going to look at different ways that you can save money by using a credit card. Now, I have to say first and foremost, I know that some people prefer not to use credit. Instead, they would rather use cash or a debit card, and that is perfectly okay. The purpose of this video is not to convince you to start using credit. This video is for those who use credit, they're okay with that, and they're curious about different ways to save money. So if that sounds like you, keep watching because we're going to break down different ways that your credit card can help your wallet. But before we go any further, there is one thing I have to put out there. If you use a credit card, please be responsible with it. I cannot stress that enough. Credit, it is very convenient, but there's also the risk of digging a hole for yourself. So if you're going to use your card, please only charge what you can afford and pay it off in full at the end of every month. The first tip to saving money with a credit card is to transfer your existing balance to a 0% interest credit card. Now, credit cards, they have different features, and some cards will allow you to transfer the balance from one card to another. And by doing so, you might be able to take advantage of an introductory rate of 0%. And typically, these rates, they will last for about 12 to 18 months, give or take. And during this time, you will pay zero interest, which is great if you have a balance and you're trying to pay it off. The amount you're able to save in interest alone is enough to consider a balance transfer. However, I do recommend using a balance transfer calculator. That way you're able to calculate your exact savings. Also, to benefit the most from 0% interest, it is so important that you come up with a debt elimination strategy that will allow you to pay off this balance before your intro rate ends. Another way to save money with a credit card is to earn rewards. Now, I have to be perfectly clear. I do not think it is a good idea at all to use credit cards for the sole intent of earning rewards, because that is a fast way to dig yourself into a hole. But if you're going to use your credit card anyway and you're buying things that you actually need, it only makes sense to get something back in return, and a rewards credit card is an excellent way to do this because these credit cards, they really allow you to get back some of what you've already spent. And most people understand how these cards work. Typically, you can earn 1 or more miles or points for every dollar you spend. And if you have a cash back credit card, there's an opportunity to earn a % cash back on certain purchases. But to benefit the most from a rewards program, you have to use your credit card a lot. So a rewards program, it's really designed for people who use their credit card for everything. And when I say everything, I'm talking about they use their card to get gas, to buy food, to pay their utilities, and some people can even use their credit card to pay their mortgage depending on their bank. A few years ago, a friend told me that they paid their mortgage with a credit card so they can earn the reward points for travel, and I thought that was such an ingenious approach. But unfortunately, I've had 2 mortgages and neither one of my mortgage companies allowed credit card payments, so I wasn't able to benefit from that, but you might. So if you're open to this idea, call your mortgage company, see if they allow credit card payments, because if they do, that can be a fast way to earn cash back, miles, or points toward future purchases. And if you're shopping for a rewards credit card, another thing to keep in mind is that some credit card companies will charge an annual fee for these types of cards, but a lot don't. So if you're shopping around, ideally you want to choose one that does not have an annual fee. That way you can enjoy additional savings. Another way to save money with your credit card is to skip car rental insurance. Now, when you rent a car, when you're at the counter, the company will usually give you the option to add rental insurance. Now, if you have insurance through your personal vehicle, you can decline this if you choose to. But if you don't, the company, they will likely charge between $10 and $30 per day, depending on the car. And because this is a per day fee, that can really increase the cost of your rental. But what some people might not know is that many credit cards will include car rental insurance as a card member perk. So if your credit card includes this feature and you book your car rental with that card, you can get this coverage at no additional cost. And this perk is offered by many cards, including American Express, Chase, Capital One, Bank of America, and many others. However, it is so important that you understand how your specific coverage works because it can vary from card to card. Another way to save money is to shop through your credit card company's online portal. Credit card companies that offer a rewards program will often partner partner with different retailers and then set up an online portal where card members can shop through. And these websites are basically designed to help maximize your rewards. And the way it works is simple. Basically, if you shop through the website that your credit card company sets up instead of going directly to the retailer, there might be opportunities where you can earn bonus rewards, or you might be able to receive exclusive discounts on certain merchandise. But even though the portal has discounts and is designed to help you save money, I am all about being a savvy shopper, and part of that is comparison shopping. So it doesn't hurt to peek around online, maybe check other sites just to make sure that you're actually getting the best price on the merchandise. Another way to save money is to take advantage of the extended warranty benefit. Now, when you are in a retail store and you purchase electronics, usually when you get to checkout, the cashier will offer you an extended warranty. And basically these warranties, they usually include an additional 1 or 2 years of coverage after the manufacturer's warranty expires. Now, this can seem like a really smart investment, especially if you're buying a high-ticketed item. The problem though is that many extended warranties that you buy, they are really expensive, and sometimes it's hard to actually use the coverage. But another thing that some people don't know is that many credit card companies, they will offer an extended warranty on electronics as a card member perk at no additional cost. And basically the way it works is that if you use your credit card to purchase the item, you can get an additional year of coverage after your manufacturer's warranty expires. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that this perk, it is not available on every single credit card. So you'll definitely need to review your card member benefits first. And also you need to keep your receipt, because that will serve as proof of purchase and it will make redeeming your warranty a lot easier. Another way to save money is to take advantage of price protection. Now, this is a very unique card member benefit where if you buy an item and you find that exact same item cheaper within a certain time frame, your credit card company might refund you the difference. But even though price protection is amazing, it is becoming less and less common. Some credit card companies have recently gotten rid of this perk, others are slated to do it in the future, so it is harder to find, but there are cards that still offer it, and if yours does, definitely take advantage of it. There are limits though. From my research, I found that many credit card companies will only refund you up to $250 per item and only up to $1,000 per year. So there you have it. That's my list of different ways that your credit card can help you save money, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, definitely consider subscribing. On this channel, we talk a lot about personal finance and different ways that you can fix your wallet and get to a place where you want to be financially. So if you like videos like this, I do post every weekend and sometimes during the week. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in a few days.